In this video, I'll show you how you can connect your Porkbun domain to Google AI Studio. So there is a couple of ways how we can do this, but in this video, I'll show you how you can add it by using Vercel. So firstly, you need to open your project in Google AI Studio, and then in top right corner, click on Save to GitHub. From here, you will have the option to sign in to your GitHub account, and then you are going to be able to create a repository. So let's say Porkbun test, and then you can add a description. You can make it private or public. Then just click on create git repo. This will create your repository. Next, you need to click on stage and commit all changes. So it's going to upload on GitHub, and now when you see no changes to commit, you want to go to vercel.com. So if you don't have an account, you just need to create a new one, and then just click on start deploying. And from here, you want to connect your GitHub account. And next, you will see all your repositories from GitHub. So this is the one Porkhub test we added from Google AI Studio. Now you just want to click on import next to it. Then from here, you can choose some options like project name, framework preset, or root directory. Next, you just need to click on deploy. Now, if you scroll, this will start deploying the GitHub project on Vercel. And then once this is deployed, we can add our domain to it. Now it is going to show you congratulations. So you just deployed new project to Vercel. And now, as you can see, you can add your domain. So click on continue to dashboard. And from here, you want to click on domains next to visit. Now from here, you can see your default domain. So this is the Vercel domain. And to add your Porkbun domain, you want to click on add a domain. Next, you want to go to Porkbun and copy your domain. So this is my domain. I'm going to copy it, paste it here. And you want to make sure this is checked. This redirect this to this. It's recommended. Then click save. Now your domain has been added, but you need to configure your DNS records. So it's showing you invalid configuration. You want to click learn more, also here. And then we need to add those two records, this one and this one, to Porkbun. So the type is A, this is name, and this is the value. So make sure to copy the value. Go back to Porkbun and hover your mouse over your domain. Then click DNS. And from here, you need to add those two records. So type was A. Now the host, I think for this A record, we can make it blank. And then paste the value. Click on add. So this is the first record if you scroll. And the second one was CNAME, name was www, and this is the value, so copy the value. And choose type as a CNAME. Host is your name, so make sure to type www. Then paste the value and click add. So now you should see those two records added on Porkbun. Now if you go back to Vercel and click refresh to next each, you should see valid configuration. And also this second one, so it's valid, and this means our domain has been successfully connected. So this is how you can connect your Porkbun domain to your Google AI Studio. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.